Controller drift can significantly affect your gaming experience in Call of Duty. Follow these steps to help improve or fix the issue. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning your controller thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the analog sticks and the surrounding areas. This can remove dirt and debris that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Go into the game settings and adjust the dead zone for your analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the sensitivity of the sticks, which may alleviate the drift issue. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update it. This can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrate your controller through the console settings. This process can help reset the stick's position and may resolve the drift problem. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the calibration. Step 5. Consider professional repair or replacement. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to seek professional repair services or consider purchasing a new controller. Sometimes, internal components may be worn out and require replacement. By following these steps, you can improve your gaming experience and reduce controller drift in Call of Duty.